Sadly, yet another victims of online scam. In response to this feedback by this new user of my videos, exposing the online scams of this what I call fake AliExpress. For this case study, it is outside of South Africa and also from Philippines, that I believe based on the currency naira, I believe is also from another African country. Most likely, if I remember correctly, could be very likely naira is from Nigeria. Before I go on, I would like to thank this viewer for leaving your comments so that we can help others to prevent from falling for the fake AliExpress online scams again. Now back to you. I have actually, till date, for the past 2 years, I have most likely, I have lost count actually, the number of such videos exposing the fake AliExpress online scams, right? Taking the good name of the trademark brand, which I call it the official AliExpress, to scam the good people like yourself. I have actually made, which I have lost count, the number of videos. Most likely is like 70 or 80 pieces of videos over the past 2 years. Amongst them, I have also made tutorial videos to help you, right? If you really felt strongly that you would want to partner with the official AliExpress, I have made such kind of tutorial videos to help you out. So do go and check it out in my TikTok feed. And of course, should you have any further questions, please DM me and let me know what are you stuck with, so that I can use my digital marketing experience, as well as I'm a coach myself in the digital marketing space, that I can give you further guidance. Now for the rest of the other viewers, to keep the long story short, when it comes to the internet, right, my number one choice of skill sets for you guys to have, especially when you are actively seeking ways of making online income, right, using the internet, the skill sets you're supposed to learn and equip yourself with and become very good at it is this thing called digital marketing. And quality time must be invested in learning it and actually practicing it. And at times, do go and pay for professional training, professional coaching, so that you will save a lot of time and even at times money moving forward, and you will get your desired results a lot faster than you learn it on your own. That was what I did beginning in 2020 before the COVID started. At the same time, if you're watching this till now, I actually set up 3 different channels for educational purposes in regards to this kind of digital marketing educational contents. Number 1, my weekly TikTok live streaming. So don't forget to follow me so that you can actually receive timely notifications on TikTok of my live stream. Number 2 would be my own private Telegram community, whereby it is same to serve the same purposes, would be the educational contents with regularly updated training resources, guides, videos, and even ideas or suggestions of how do you choose a good brand or product to help you moving forward. The third channel will be my own newsletter email system. So I would need you to provide me your preferred active email in order for me to input that into my email system for you to receive regularly a few times in a week. Again, educational content, right, to help you out in the digital space. So I believe with these 3 free channels, it is already very comprehensive for you to gather a lot of professional knowledge. And should you need further, more official assistance from myself, right, around this video, I have actually left a link for you to go and fill up a survey form. And when you do that, you are giving me permission to officially follow you up in regards to how can I help you in the digital space. Of course, the ultimate aim is to achieve the results of multiple sources of income online, right? So, last but not least, to the user that has left this comment, right? My advice for you is let this go. Although I know it is painful, right? That this is unfortunate that you have lost. However, it doesn't mean that you cannot make it back by really moving forward, equipping yourself with real business skills like digital marketing skill sets. You can definitely recover and even go on, right, to have a more long-term, more reliable way in using the internet to help yourself in creating multiple sources of income online. That will be my suggestion for you. Right? You don't need to remain stuck. Right? And I'm very sure of that. And it requires you to have an attitude, right? To be open, to be positive, right? And motivated, be coachable, to learn as much as you can, and take massive amount of actions. That will definitely transform your current life. So at least I look forward to seeing you in my next live stream. Come with your questions. I'm most delighted to help you out. Bonus information. There are many of these, I am not sure whether they are genuine account holders, leaving comments, right? Poaching my viewers' attention, in the comment box. And I call them the hackers. And the people that are helping them out to spread the word that they can recover the funds for you. Don't believe all this nonsense. Right? And I block those people that actually promote that type of hacking services. Right? And I also block the hackers' accounts. All of them. Without fail. Right? Because you're spreading the wrong type of, it's a form of misinformation, I call it. Right? So if you're watching this and you are tempted to do such things again, please don't do it. Right? Don't come to my turf and do these kind of things. That's my warning for you. And for the victims, right? That's not your way out. In fact, you are going backwards if you choose this way to resolve your problems. Moving forward, right? Take this lesson, go and learn digital marketing skill sets.